What's going on, everybody? So I made a short video yesterday on the Vortec 5.3 lifter tick. Quick how-to fix, maybe here and there if you're lucky. And I got asked what I did. So basically all I did was you remove your coil packs. They all come on one bracket. Disconnect this wire connector right here that comes off. Pop the 4 bolts out of your valve cover. Remove your rocker arms. Check the bearings inside of those. Most likely, if you have a high mileage 5.3 such as this, you're gonna notice some play in them. I would recommend a trunnion upgrade or a set of new rocker arms. But basically what I did was pull all the push rods, the rocker arms, and check the valve springs. I cleaned the push rods and the rocker arms in diesel fuel, and I stuck the push rods down into the lifter hole for each cylinder, exhaust and intake, and sprayed some of this stuff down in each one. I use 1 can per side, and I let it sit for a while. Put everything back together after checking your push rods, cleaning your push rods out, which, by the way, I had for the inside of the push rods. If you don't know, obviously that's what lets the oil travel up through your hydraulic lifter. I use this little bad boy here to get inside the push rod. But basically what happens with the lifter tick is you have little oil holes in your lifters, and the oil can no longer get up through the push rod to lubricate the upper valve train, aka your valve springs, your rocker arms, etc. It loses hydraulic pressure inside that lifter, thus causing a tap. So my main goal was to try and clean out some of that crud that has built up over 266,000 miles. Now, after I used the Berryman B12 on all of them, cleaned the push rods, put everything back together, I then went ahead and used some of this. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be against it, and I was as well. It's just diesel fuel, it's just kerosene, etc., yada yada, but I figured why not try and kill 2 birds with 1 stone and just give it a shot. Why not? And the end result, well, we got the snap-on Theos hooked up. And as you can see, 0 misfires. None whatsoever. Now I did change the oil, and I will note, only let this in there for 5 minutes with a with your oil full. Obviously, do not rev it up, do not drive it, no more than 5 minutes. Drain it, change your oil. And as you can tell, I don't hear any lifters ticking. Maybe a little bit on this side. But this vehicle has 266,000 miles on it, and this video applies to 99 to 2006, basically anything non-DOD. The AFM crap. If you have a vehicle that is suffering a lifter tap in those model years, I recommend deleting it. Get rid of it quickly. Don't mind the service brake system. That's another story for another day. But yeah, just cleaned the upper valve train, made sure all the mating surfaces were good, cleaned out the lifters, did an engine flush, changed the oil, and bam. Don't mind the oil pressure gauge either. Needs an oil pressure sensor. That's a project for another day, but lifter tick is gone. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more stupid random knowledge from me.